So this is an example of a tax rate schedule. There is I'll show you in the next slide. I've uploaded the current year schedule for single filers. One, this is dated. I'm not sure how old it is, but if you'll notice the brackets, when we look at compare the two, the brackets are different, meaning the breakpoints for the income. So anyway, so this some of the other information in this book is from 2019. I don't know why they didn't update it, because this is a 2024 edition. You'd think that they could have put 2022 or 2023 information in there. But anyway, so your bracket is on the left-hand side here. It's up to $11,000, you pay 10%. Over 11, but not over 44,725, you pay 12%. So if you go down to the bottom, if you make over $578,125, you pay 37% on the money that's over $578,125. And we will do tax liability calculations. That'll be one of the items on the first exam. So, as I mentioned, I uploaded there we go. Here. So this is a 2024 tax rate schedule for single filers. So there's one for married filing jointly, qualified widowers, married filing separately, head of household. We're pretty much just concerned with single, married filing jointly, and separately. So anyway, so if you notice, the brackets are higher. And we'll talk about that as we go forward. Brackets are indexed, meaning they're adjusted for inflation, so that your taxes don't go up as a result of inflation, so, which is theoretically the case. So, but if we go down, so if you're, so these are the brackets. So the third bracket here is between $47,150 and $100,525. Your marginal tax bracket or marginal tax rate is 22%. That would be if you made $75,000. So the last dollar you made and everything over $47,150 is taxed at 22%. So that would be 22% times the amount over $47,150 plus $5,426. $5,426 is the amount of tax on taxable income of $47,150, and that's the same. So each of these numbers, the $183,647.25, is the amount of tax on $609,350. So if you recall, on the previous slide, it was $578,000. So those changes are the result of indexing. So marginal tax bracket is the bracket, one of the 7 brackets listed here. So you got 10%, 22%, or 12, 22, 24, 32, 35, and 37. So that's the highest tax rate you pay. Marginal tax rate, as we mentioned, is the tax rate at which your last dollar of income is taxed. So, and as I mentioned before, indexing adjusts the tax brackets each year to adjust for inflation. So we'll next lecture we'll start with calculating taxes.